I'm levitating. Oh my god.
Oh sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And then, there you go. Now just.
Because if you do not, you will trip and fall. And the car will hit you. And then your parents will sue us. And we can't have that happen. Okay, goodbye now.
Okay, get in the car. What's Bob doing? Has Bob always had a beard? Or is that little Bob?
Yeah, that's not working. What? If you call now, you will get not one set of ropes, but two sets. Two sets of ropes. Two. Dos robots.
Those robots.
Dos robots.
Those robots.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. That's right, you don't have the bravery. It's 260.
Okay. Crap, another spasm. Oh my god.
Peanuts? Harrieta was my junior high grammar teacher's stuffed goose. God kill the king.
Oh my gosh, that man. Can I hold it?
Yes, you hold my baby.
This is your baby.
You my baby. Savannah jungle. Is there Savannah jungle?
No, there's no savannah.
What's the Savannah whatever?
Savannah's like the savannah. It's like a.
Savannah.
It's a grassland. Like in Avatar, where they made the little water and they were.
Never watched that. Nom 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 nom.
No.
nom.
Did you stop that? Or is it still there?
Kick out Cam.